Hello guys, this is Pamoro Vlog. So, in this vlog, i-speed test natin to ating Honda PCX. Kalaban natin yung bagong NMAX 2020. Yan. So guys, yung for your information guys, all stock tong PCX natin. Yung hindi lang stock dito yung pipe, although nakadibigil na naman ako. Sige. Ay, may kasalubong muna, teka lang.
Ay, salubong. Wait, lapasin mo. Tabi ka muna, tol. Tabi ko rin kayo dyan mamaya. Malagpasin nyo yun.
A few moments later.
And beyond.
Bye, have a great time.
Ay, yung ano, DB killer, sige ah. Hindi ako ng DB killer eh.
Nakapigil yan sa'yo.
So guys, ito pala yung naka-NMAX 2020. Si Idol, ano pangalan niya?
Martin.
Idol Marvin. Sa kanya yung ano, yung NMAX 2020. So ngayon guys, sinanggal naman natin yung DB killer nung clone natin na Acra. Baka sakaling lumakas yung ano, hatak. Medyo pitin yung PCX ngayon eh. Okay guys, ito guys, sabi ko nakatanggal yung DB killer natin. Baka sakaling lumakas hatak ng PCX. Ay, grabe talaga tulan ni NMAX ha.
A few moments later. Bye, have a great time.
Wala, matulin pa rin.
Hindi na. Mabigat ka lang, brother.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.